Hi Aries, this is your next 10 days reading from the 20th to the 30th. So let's see what energies are here for you, because I had done your next 10 days reading from the 10th. So now it's time to see the next energies because the 10 days are over. So the energies that are coming to you are beautiful energies. Things are changing for you. Before that, let's see what mantra the angels are giving you, what advice they are giving you. So let's see what advice we are getting from the angels oracle. Angel spirit guides, please give me messages for Aries. Messages for Aries for the next 10 days, what they should remember. Angel spirit guides, please give me one message. Please give me one card. Okay. So this is saying, conscious consumer, you have the power to heal and help the world with your decision to buy only products and services that are ethical and environmentally friendly. As a conscious consumer, you choose to invest in fair trade and organic goods. You live simply and you purchase only that which you need. So, good advice. And I think it's more than an advice, it is a look into your personality. I think Aries are simple people, they live simply, and you do this, most of you do this, so it's fine. This is your mantra for the next 10 days. So the first energy that I see for you is the tarot card, Two of Cups. Two of Cups means new love. New love is coming to many of you. This could be breakaway from an old situation and a new situation happening for you. This could be in business, this could be in your love life, this could be in general life. Something new is coming to you which you would like. It's something which will touch your heart. Something new is starting for you, and it is clarified by the Empress. So Empress means always fertility. It means fertility, it means new beginnings, it means new change, it means birth of a kid in your life, in your family. An addition will take place in your business or your studies or your career. Something, you will think of something new, some new idea will be nurtured by you. Your charm, your beauty, your presence. For the male members, I am saying this Empress means you will be charming. People will look at you with lot of adulation. So you will get adulation, you will get compliments, because you are making your presence felt with your charming personality, Aries. So this is a starting, this is a beautiful energy of the next 10 days. Some new beginning for you, some new idea will work for you, some fresh thing is going to happen for you. And for many of you who are going through crisis, you will overcome crisis. You will get away from troubled waters to calmer waters. You will be rowing away from this place which is giving you trouble. This could be a travel, this could be moving on from a certain relationship which was there, and you are moving on to a better and a new relationship. So this is something I see that you are closing chapter, you are closing some something which was troubling you. Some fresh new start is going to happen to you. Also, this card means overcoming obstacles. You will be overcoming any obstacles which is on your path. With the with the 8 of Wands, which is clarifying this 6 of Swords, I see that a lot of information is coming to you. You will be exchanging fast information on the electronic media. Many of you are working in digital platforms, so it will be beneficial for you. It will take you towards progress. You will be effectively communicating. There will be communication lines open for you. Nothing will be stopped this time. The divine is helping you in communicating in a better manner. Feedbacks are going to come to you. you will get reciprocation regarding information. If you have applied for something, if you are putting yourself out into the world, you will get reciprocation, you will get acknowledgement. That's what I see. So there is progress, there is reciprocation, there is feedback coming, there is progress coming. And what is your action? Your action is going towards the truth with on a straight line, like this perpendicular sword. You will be cutting away all illusions, breaking out from any chain. Liberation, this is a kind of liberation towards truth. You will be going straight ahead towards your goal, with your conviction, with your analysis, with your logic, with your mind. So you will be trudging ahead, going ahead, marching ahead towards your truth. And anything which was hidden from you, anything which was not revealed to you, will be open and out. You will know your own truth. This is also self realization card for some of you. You will realize the truth, you will see the truth. How good are you? How good are you? How good are the others? How good is the relationship? How good is the work? So you will question everything and come out into the open and know that this situation is working or not working, this situation is going to go ahead or not. So you will have this realization. This is definitely a sure short path towards success. And the clarification is reverse of the death situation, meaning you are still not ready to let go of certain things, though you know the truth. With the Ace of Swords, you know the truth, you have realized what illusions were around you, you have realized what are the problems around you, you have realized how people were cheating you. However, still you will carry on, you will not end a relationship. The end is near, but you will decide when to end it. So this is the kind of energy you get from the death reverse. So death means a end of a situation, but that situation will be, that decision to end that situation will be in your hands now. So this is what death reverse means. So your crowning energy right now is of 8 of Pentacles. This means lot of hard work. You are showing lot of hard work. You are doing lot of hard work. You are going to achieve success by putting something piece by piece, nurturing a new idea, going into the world, making progress through exchange of information, finally working for it, day in and day out. You are totally concentrating on your work right now. Any situation of imbalance is now over. You have made your decision and you are moving forward in that direction. I see random energies for the next 10 days. There could be someone fire sign, somebody who is very, very bully kind of a person. However, this person with the King of Wands, this means that this person has got lot of charm. But you have seen through this person. You have seen through this person. You know that this person is very selfish. This person is always trying to, prove his point, narcissistic maybe. So you know that what this person is a bit of a bully, gets his own way or her own way, and you have realized the truth. Whatever is in front of you, you are charging ahead, you are going forward. If it's a new relationship, you will be succeeding in it. If it's a travel, if you were stuck at some point, you will be going ahead, making a journey, going towards your destination. This is what I see. Maybe purchase of a new vehicle also I see that you will be going towards success with focus in your mind. So very good energy. I also see the the Knight of Wands. This means lot of passion. You are ready to offer lot of passion into the world, give yourself to the world. Very, very enthusiastic, passionate kind of energy is coming into you, or a Sagittarius or a Leo is coming in your life, Aries. So this is what I see, the random energies that are coming to you in the next 10 days. What are the obstacles? There are a bit of worry, in the sense that you are trying to cling on to a certain relationship or cling on to a certain past which is now over. You are not ready to, with the death reverse also I see this, that you are trying to, hold on to something which the divine is saying that it is over. It is over now. You have to let it go. So you are still sticking on to it. You are not understanding that if you don't create space for new things will not come to you. So you are still clinging on to something. Or this could be that you are trying to balance your material success. Maybe you have got a recent success, you are trying to be happy in it, you are trying to cling on to it, you are trying to maintain a balance regarding your material possessions. So it's not that, it's not an obstacle, but it is on your mind. So you are doing everything regarding your material possessions right now. It is very unlike Aries trait. Aries people don't uh, indulge in lot of material thinking. They are more adventurous, they take risks. But right now you are not in the risk mode. You want to be safe. So this is your obstacle. Another obstacle is that there is a certain kind of situation where things are stuck. You are stuck in a kind of bind, and you are or there could be a person who is kind of um, who is an earth energy, and who is not ready to change. So this could be a relationship which is getting into a stagnant situation, or a person who is in your life who is pushing you towards stagnancy. So this is one obstacle I see. So when you clarified these cards, I see that you are going to get your wishes manifested. You are going to get wish fulfillment. So this Four of Pentacles is not that bad an obstacle, and this wish fulfillment will take place if you cling on to your material possessions and think about your material success. This will bring you to your wish fulfillment, manifestation of your dreams, things which you want, your independence, and many other things which you were wishing for. And the reverse Knight of Pentacles, the person who is trying to keep you in stagnancy, this kind of obstacle will be overcome by the Six of Wands, and this person will see how you are marching ahead, how you are getting acclaim, how you are getting recognized by people. So this person will not be able to stop your advance towards progress, stop your advance towards victory. So this person will not be able to affect you any longer. So finally I see that this lack, this feeling of lack, this feeling of not having enough will be getting over with the Six of Wands card. This means, again, this is from another deck, Six of Wands, twice it has come. This means that you are going towards sure shot success. You are going to get victory over all the obstacles which are challenging you right now. And the most important obstacle is of lack, feeling of abandonment, feeling of being left alone, isolation. This kind of lack of love, lack of money, this kind of feeling, Aries, is coming from a long time, and it's been there in your life. This situation, many of you Aries will get over this situation with the Six of Wands card, which is going to happen in the next 10 days. You will see the indications, you will see the progress which you are making. Finally I see Knight of Cups coming, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces energy offering you their cup of love, and you are getting into a situation of material abundance. You are going into a situation of independence. You are going into a situation of someone who is charming, who is beautiful, who has got good personality, maybe handsome. So this kind of energy will be surrounding you, Aries, and you will be shining in your own light, being independent, doing what you want to do, and getting the financial security which you were worried about. So this is what I see for you in the next 10 days. I will be uploading your September readings. So hit the notification bell to get the readings again whenever I upload them. So thank you so much. If you like this reading and you resonate with it, please like and subscribe this channel. It will help me. Bye.